Class 4th. Today we have to do exercise 6.7, which is the exercise of LCM. Today's topic is LCM. LCM means, what do you mean by LCM? It is least, C for common, M for multiples. Least common multiples, right? See, multiples we already done yesterday's. That what about multiples? Multiples are by which we can divide, or the numbers which all the numbers that are divisible by given number. See, if you have to find the multiples of 8, so 24, 36, these are the numbers and 8 is the given number. So all the numbers that are divided by 8 are the multiples of the 8, right? So least common multiples. So now first we will study LCM by two topics. First one, these two methods are there. First is listing method, means by making the list. Listing as the name given. लिस्टिंग मेथड मीन्स कि आप कैसे करोगे उसको, लिस्ट बना के, लिस्ट की हेल्प से. सेकेंड इज प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन वी हैव डन once also. Prime factorization means the given number should be divided only and only by prime numbers, right? The number is divided by only and only prime numbers. Third is common division method. Third one is, you can say common division method, or you can say long division method. मीन्स कि दोनों में आपको सिर्फ एक कॉमन नंबर लेके डिवाइड करना है, राइट? दोनों में आपको एक कॉमन नंबर लेके जो दोनों नंबर्स को डिवाइड करे. सो फर्स्ट वी विल डू आवर क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम लिस्टिंग मेथड. दैट मीन्स बाय विद द हेल्प ऑफ द लिस्ट. नाउ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन of your exercise is LCM using listing method, right? So first what we write, numbers, the numbers that are given. First 8 multiples. First 8 multiples, right? Then common multiple. CM stands for common multiple, and after that LCM. Now first A number is 3 and 5. So we have to write first 8 multiples of 3. पहले हम इस कॉलम में 3 के फर्स्ट 8 मल्टीपल्स लिखेंगे. 3 2 6, 3 3 9, 3 4 12, 3 5 15, 3 6 18, 3 7 21, and 3 8 24. Right? Now multiples of 5. 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 3 15, 5 4 20, 5 5 25, 5 6 30, 5 6 35, and 5 8 40. Now common multiple means दोनों में हो. Which one is column? Only 15. Common multiple is 15. So what is the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Because see, it is divisible by both the number. हम HCF में क्या करते थे, हम HCF में जो हमारा नंबर आता था वो चेक करते थे कि दोनों को डिवाइड कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा, राइट? लेकिन हमें LCM में क्या करना है, चेक करना है कि इससे जो हमारा LCM आया वो डिविजिबल है या नहीं है, राइट? नाउ बी पार्ट 6 and 8. So first 8 multiple of 6 is 6. 6 2 12, 6 3 18, 6 4 16, 6 4 24. 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42 and 6 8s are 48. Right? Now 8, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56 and 8 8s are 64. Now check which are common. There are common 24. 24 is common. After that 48. So list, what do you mean by list? That is the smallest number which can be divisible by both the numbers. LCM mean least common multiples ki chota common multiples, small one. So from these two, which one is small? 24. So LCM is 24. Right? After that, C part 3, 5 and 6. First 8 multiples of 3 are same. 3 1s are 3, 3 6 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21 and 3 8s are 24. After that 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35 and 5 8s are 40. After that 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42 and 6 8s are 48. Now see which one is common between all these. Check yourself beta, which one is common? From these two 15 is common, right? And but here 15 is not there. So which number is that? So there is no common multiple between all these, but it can be 30. See, 30 come in 3 table also, 5 also and 6 also. But there are first 8 multiples and common multiple between these is, see in this also there are 12, 18, 24. But here not these terms. So common multiple is 0. LCM you can't say 0 because LCM is 30. LCM of these number is 30, but from these I put dash here. It means no LCM from these numbers. Next, second question. Find the least common multiple of the following number using prime factorization method. Now second we will do prime factorization. First one is clear to everyone. In listing methods, nothing you have to do, just make the list of the given multiples up to where. If I said here 10, then you will write up to 10. आपको सिर्फ गिवन नंबर का टेबल लिखना है, नथिंग मोर देन. उसमें से फिर कॉमन फाइंड आउट करो, कौन सा नंबर कॉमन है. कॉमन फाइंड आउट करने के बाद इफ़ यू गेट मोर देन 2 तो आप यहाँ स्मॉलेस्ट लिखोगे. मोर देन 2 आता है तो यहाँ पे जो आप स्मॉलेस्ट होते हैं, लीस्ट मीन्स स्मॉलेस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल्स, तो आप यहाँ पे स्मॉलेस्ट वन वाला लिखोगे. राइट. नाउ कम टू प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. Second one is LCM by prime factorization. Have you remembered about prime numbers? Prime numbers क्या होते हैं? Prime numbers are the number which are divisible by itself or only by 1. Right. Now A part 300 and 480. राइट. सो एलसीएम बाय प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. फर्स्टली क्या करोगे आप, ऐसे लाइन ड्रॉ करो. राइट 300 एयर. आवर प्राइम नंबर्स आर 2 3 5 7. राइट. डिवाइड इट विथ 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 0. 2 sevens are 14, 1 and 0 2 5s are 10, 75 2 से डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता, 7 plus 5 12, it can be divisible by 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 3 5s are 15. Now with 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 ones are 5, right? Now 480, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 6 are 12, 0, 2, 6 divided by 2, 3, 0 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5, right? So now there are these factors, 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 5 and 480, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 and multiply 5. Now see, common are 1 2 and this 3 and then this 5. These are common. The LCM is equals to product of common and uncommon numbers. Product of common and uncommon numbers. Right? So LCM equals to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. ये तो थे कॉमन नंबर्स. अब जो अनकॉमन है वो भी लिखो. फर्स्ट में 5, पुट 5 है. 1 2 3, 3 times 2, 1 2 3. Now multiply both the numbers. Multiply these. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 60 5s are 300, 300 2s are 600, 600 2s are 1200 and 1200 2s are 2400. So what is the LCM of this number? 2400. Clear? Now B part, 256 and 128. Again with prime numbers. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 1, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again with 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again with 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 1, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 divided by 2, 1, right? Now 128. See, 128 is here. You can write direct also. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 1, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2. These are the numbers. Now factors of 256 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now 128. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now see, these are common, only 1 2 is left. So LCM equals to product of common and uncommon number, 2 3 times 4 time, 5 time, 6 time, 7 time and 8 time. Now when you multiply this, see, they all are also 8 and they are the factors of this. LCM is 256. Clear? Now come to the third part, C1. 315 525. See, they both are number ending with वंस प्लेस पे कौन सी डिजिट है 5, तो नंबर किससे डिवाइड होंगे 5 से. नंबर आर डिवाइडेड बाय 5. फाइव सिक्स ज़ा 30, 5 3 ज़ा 15, 3 2 ज़ा 6, 3 1 ज़ा 3, 3 7 ज़ा 21, 7 divided by 7. Now 525, 5 1 ज़ा 5, 0 5 5 ज़ा 25, with 3 3 ज़ा 9, 10 minus 9 1, 3 5 ज़ा 15. Now with 5 5 7 ज़ा 35, 7 divided by 7. Clear? Now the factor of 315, 5 multiply 3 multiply 3, then 7. Then 5 to 5, 5 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 7. Common are these. So LCM 5 multiply, firstly आप commons write करोगे 3 and then 7. Now these two are uncommon, right? Like this. ये कॉमन का मतलब है कि इन दोनों के प्लेस पे सिर्फ आप एक ही बार वो नंबर लिखोगे जो कॉमन है. लाइक यहाँ पे 2 टाइम 5 है तो दोनों में कॉमन है तो हम यहाँ पे सिर्फ 1 टाइम लिखेंगे, राइट. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई दिस एंड राइट द एलसीएम हियर. नेक्स्ट डी पार्ट 160 and 180. Now see, last number is 0. So you can't divide direct with 10. First reason, because it is given prime factorization and 10 is not a prime number. Second, कभी भी आप किसी भी नंबर को डायरेक्ट एक बिग नंबर से डिवाइड नहीं करोगे. पहले आप उसको 2 3 5 7 इनसे डिवाइड करके चेक करोगे. बिकॉज जो भी नंबर आपका 2 3 से होगा वो 6 से एग्जैक्ट हो जाएगा, राइट. जो नंबर आपका 4 से डिवाइड होगा वो ऑटोमेटिकली 2 से डिविजिबल होगा ही होगा. सो दैट्स वाई 2 3 5 7. सो फर्स्टली हम 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 2 8 ज़ा 16 0, 2 4 ज़ा 8 0, 2 2 ज़ा 4 0 एज इट इज, 2 1 0, 2 5 ज़ा 10, 5 1. Now 180, 2 9 ज़ा 18 0, 2 4 ज़ा 8 1 2 5 ज़ा 10, 3 1 ज़ा 3, 4 minus 3 3 5 ज़ा 15, 3 5 ज़ा 15, 5 divided by 5, right. So factor of 160 equals to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 1 2 3 4 5 and then 5. Now factor of 180, 2 multiply 2, 3 multiply 3 and then 5. These are common, right. So LCM so firstly we will write common numbers. 2 multiply 5, then uncommon number. These 3 are also uncommon and these 2 are also 2 and then 3 and 3, right. Here you will multiply this number and write the answer here, and the answer should be written in your notebook. ये नहीं हो कि मैंने यहाँ आंसर नहीं लिखे तो आप भी यहाँ पे आंसर नहीं लिखेंगे। नेक्स्ट ई पार्ट 108 and 180. Now 108. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. 3 9s are 27. 9 divided by 3, 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 180. 2 9 come 0. Then 2 4s are 8 and 5 10. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 5 divided by 5. So factor of 108 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. 180 factor are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. Now common are these. So LCM equals to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 and 5. These two are uncommon. Rest these are all are common. Now we will multiply these and write the answer downside. Now F part. F part 252 and 378, right? Now firstly we will do with 252. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12. After that 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3 7s are 21, 7 divided by 7 1. Now 3 7 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 1 2 9s are 18. Then with 3 3 6 are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 1. 3 divided by 21 divided by 3, 7. 7 divided by 7, 1. Now see 252 equals to factor are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 7. 378 factors are 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 7. Common are these. So LCM equals to, firstly, what is LCM? Product of common and uncommon numbers. So 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 7. Now uncommon number are 2 and downside 3. Right? Multiply the numbers and write down the LCM. Now this is about how to find the LCM by prime factorization method. Now we have done two methods, listing method and prime factorization method. Now third method, which we use LCM using common division method. Common, or you can say long division method. राइट, कॉमन मीन्स कि आप दोनों नंबर्स को यहाँ हम सेपरेटली डिवाइड कर रहे थे, अब आप दोनों को कॉमन डिवाइड करोगे. लेट मी टेल यू हाउ टू डू. फर्स्ट ए पार्ट 16 and 48, right? So now we will divide them together. Draw one line like this. Write it 16 and 48 with the comma. Now divide with 2. 2 8s are 16, comma, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. again with 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, again with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, again with 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, now with 3, 1 and 1, right? So in this what you have to done, ऐसे उसमें what you have to do, 16 and 48 we will write here LCM. See, these are common, right? कॉमन है, एज इट इज़ लिखो. इसमें आपको सभी नंबर लिखने हैं, ऑल नंबर्स यू हैव टू राइट हियर. देन 2, then 2, then one more 2, and then 3. In this you will write all the numbers. All the number means कि जहाँ आपको 1 1 आता है, जहाँ पे यहाँ आपका जो क्वेश्चन है वो फिनिश हो जाता है और आपको सभी नंबर्स को यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करना है. लाइक 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 16 3s are 48. So LCM is 48. B part 42 24. Now 42 and 24. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now see, they both can be divisible by 3. 3 7s are 21, 3 4s are 12. Now with 2, 7 as it is, 2 2s are 4. अब देखो, आप इसको यहाँ पे भी छोड़ सकते हो क्योंकि दोनों, ऐसा कोई भी टेबल नहीं है जहाँ 7 और 4 एक साथ आए. तो हम डायरेक्ट क्या करेंगे, LCM 2 × 3, यहाँ तक तो कॉमन था. अब चॉइस आपकी है. इफ़ यू राइट 7 × 4, और you can write like this also. Same equals to 2 × 3 multiply 7 multiply 2 multiply 2. Answer is same in both the condition. Okay. Now C part 45 and 20. C part 45 and 20. Again 2 से 45 can't divisible by, we will divide it with 5. डायरेक्ट डिवाइड हो जाएगा. 5 9s are 45, 5 4s are 20. नाउ देयर इज़ नो टेबल इन विच दे बोथ कम टुगेदर. ऐसा कोई टेबल नहीं है जिसमें दोनों एक साथ आते हो, राइट? सो हम क्या करेंगे, हम डायरेक्ट एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करेंगे. 5 × 9 × 4, right? You will multiply these number. 5 9s are 45 and 45 4s are 180, I think. Okay, you will multiply and write it the answer here. अगर आपको चेक करना है कि आपका एलसीएम करेक्ट है या नहीं, तो आप गिवन नंबर से उनको डिवाइड करो. लाइक यहाँ पे हम करते हैं 45 × with 4. 4 5s are 22, 4 4s are 16 and 2 18. Answer is 180. Now see, 45 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करने पे 180 आए. तो अगर हम 45 को 180 को 45 से डिवाइड करेंगे, देन व्हाट कम्स, सेम 4 and 20. 180 divided by 20, 9. So the LCM is divisible by both the numbers, right? So our LCM is correct. Now D part 108 and 36. 108 and 36. 2 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 9s are 18, right? Now with 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. Now again 3 3s are and 1. Now only 3 left. So LCM equals to 2 × 2 × 3 × 3 × 3, right? Now we multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36 and 36 3s are 108. Right? So the LCM is 108. Now E part 84 and 140 and F part 2 से डिवाइड 2 4 ज़ा 8 2 2 ज़ा 4 2 7 ज़ा 14 0 2 2 ज़ा 4 2 1 ज़ा 2 3 ज़ा 6 2 5 ज़ा 10. नाउ आई डिवाइड विद 3. नो 7 से होगा ये 7 3 ज़ा 21 7 5 ज़ा 31. सो देखो दोनों डिफरेंट नंबर आ गए. अब हम एलसीएम में क्या लिखेंगे 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2 मल्टीप्लाई 7 multiply 3 multiply 5. You will multiply them and you get your answer. Right? Now F part 125 and 150. Right? This you will do yourself. ये आप खुद करेंगे, चेक करेंगे कि आपका एलसीएम का टॉपिक क्लियर हुआ या नहीं हुआ. राइट? दिस इज़ नथिंग बेटा, वेरी सिंपल. आपको सिर्फ कॉमन नंबर्स को फाइंड आउट करना है, कॉमन और अनकॉमन. आपका एलसीएम क्या होता है, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कॉमन एंड अनकॉमन नंबर्स. ओके, टुमारो वी विल डू द वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ एचसीएफ एंड एलसीएम.